Alright, I'm going to give you a little ride in Stella. I just tanked her up. I'm bringing her back to where I house her, garage her in Sandwich, Massachusetts, where she lives with me, Cape Cod. So we do have Bluetooth radio, AM, FM radio. Like I said, I just tanked her up. She's running very nicely today. So she takes about 11 gallons of gas, original tank, and 14 miles to the gallon. So here we go. I'm going to try not to kill myself, but give you a little ride. See what you can see what it's like riding in it for a little bit. I may pause it. I may crash. I don't know, but we'll see here. All right, here we go. Like I say, we're in Sandwich, Mass. Taking her back to her store's garage. She rides very nicely. Crank up the music for you. Trying to keep my fingers out of the picture. I think that's about it, folks. I'm getting down towards the center of town. I'll go a little further. And I hope you like the ride. It's a nice fall day. About 50 degrees out.